Hi guys, Vlad here. Today I finished the last of the iPhone 6s here. It was successful and it was really easy one. Let's watch it. So today I have last of the iPhone 6s. Condition is not okay, like scratched one. Probably will be SSC grade as well, if I fix it of course. Yeah, body is a little bit cracked here on top, but that's nothing serious. Buttons click. All of them seem to be present. Everything else looks fine. 2 screws missing straight away. Okay, screen intact, but I don't know if it's working. Alright, let's connect that to the power and check. No intake at all. Zero. Alright, let's take board out and see. So the board is out. It's actually very clean looking. There is no prior repair work as far as I can see, at least. Stickers are white and I don't see anywhere damage. These stickers are untouched, probably either replaced, but no, this looks like a factory. Alright, let's connect that to a power supply and check. We probably have short somewhere. Or TriStar bad. No, we don't have short at VDD main, so let's try to press the power button. Power button does not press. Okay. So I will try just now to power the phone with the battery, with the charged battery. So let's press the power button. Yeah, we have Apple logo. Let's wait if phone will boot. If phone will boot, we will straight away see if the Touch ID working or not. Yeah, phone boots. We don't have Touch ID message there, and phone has user data. Yeah, that's mean that we have just either DockFlex not working or the TriStar not working, or both of them. So let's try DockFlex first. Let's connect brand new charging port. And try to power it on. And no, we still have no readings there. That's mean that our power not going in properly. And if I connect DockFlex there and put there a TriStar tester, like not TriStar tester, DockFlex tester, and check what readings we are getting. Yeah, on the 5th pin we are getting 0. On the 4th pin we are getting 0. 2nd and 6th we are getting 800 milliamps. 6th and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 6 pins are present. They're both 760. 4, 5 are missing. 3, 2, 1. 1 is present. So 4 pins are missing from here. Let's take a working iPhone 6s and compare the reading. Yeah, that's a fully working 6s from previous videos. Yeah, on the pin 5 we are getting 360. Pin 4 we are not getting anything, so it's OL. Pin 3 we are getting 760. Pin 2 we are getting 760. Pin 1 OL. So 4 and 1 OL. On 5th we should get reading. On 3 we should get reading. And on 2 we should get reading. And here on this phone we are not getting readings here. 5 is 0. 3, oh, we're getting 3. 2 is 0. Yeah, that's most likely a bad TriStar. So So let's replace TriStar and see. Yeah, so what I did, I bent this shield upwards so it's easier to access. It's not necessary, you still can remove it and clean under it, but it's just easier. This phone is not customized, so I don't really care about that. I will try to do that without reball so I don't waste time. Yeah, both are good. Now let's remove TriStar from the iPhone 7. I think it used already its refloat. But I will try this anyway. Okay. TriStar is out. Let's put it in. Okay, TriStar is done. Let's wait a bit and try to power it on. Okay, let's connect charging port. Take a power meter and see if we're getting any readings. Yeah, we are. We are. Let's connect screen and see if we're getting Apple logo. Without battery, we should get Apple logo. Yeah, we are getting Apple logo. That means that TriStar is fine. Okay, let's assemble phone into the housing and restore it. Okay, phone is connected to a computer. Let's restore that. Okay, iPhone restored. Let's open 3U Tools and check if we are getting all the stuff we want. So, battery life, no data. That's not nice. We probably have to replace battery anyway. Yeah, verification report, and phone looks to be normal. Touch ID is the same. Yeah, everything looks fine. Okay, let's wait till phone boots actually and we check from inside how battery looks. Yeah, so phone restarted in the middle of the process because battery is not seen. There is no data for battery, so phone restarts every few minutes there. Not few minutes, maybe every like 5-7 minutes. So let's see if we're able to activate that. But I will have to replace battery here. Yeah, fingerprint works, that's excellent. Okay, we activated that. Screen looks to be original. Display brightness. Yeah, no true tone here, but anyway. So cameras work, we have focus. Both cameras work, yeah. What we have with the proximity here. Yeah, proximity works, loudspeaker works. Okay, let's see sound. Sound works. Yeah, this is 64GB iPhone 6s and we don't have battery data. Okay, microphone, let's see microphone. Yeah, phone restarted. Anyhow, yeah, I will replace the battery and do the test again. So I replaced battery. Yeah, now let's test again. So cameras still work. See if we see the battery there. Yeah, battery is 100% now, so phone should not restart. Anyhow, let's most likely finish it here. I will check the microphone because I didn't check it, and then that's it. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Yeah, microphone works. So that's it. I will be ending this video here as phone is fully working and fully tested. So let's talk numbers. This was iPhone 6s 64GB gray unlocked. I mean number ends with these digits. So the phone was dead. I connected the charger, it wasn't taking anything and I couldn't power that phone on. So in the end that was just a TriStar repair. It was very quick repair, phone started straight away and I had to replace only a battery there. Right, so all other parts were completely fine there. So the total cost in repairs is 10 euro and I will be adding charger there, it is 150. So CX paying for this phone 122 euro for 6S 64GB. It's bummer because it's the same price as 32GB, but what you can do, they give what they give. I'm making 61 euro and 71 cent in profit here and 126% on my money there. I spent about half an hour, that including battery replacement and flashing the phone. It was really quick repair. That's very nice ending of this iPhone 6 series in this batch there. So as you can see here, I am almost at the bottom line. Currently I'm down only 44 euro and 30 cents and that is 4.54% on my money that I invested totally in this whole batch. I am excited about this because last 6 phones what I have, they are iPhone 7s and they are selling higher even if they are not working than I purchased them. So iPhone 7 in CEX goes as non-working one for 75 euro and the 7 Plus goes even higher than that. So I'm already making profit here. But hopefully I will be able to fix most of them so I will be making better profit and I don't waste my time for almost no money here. So guys, I hope you like this video and I'll see you in next one.